Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to be giving you a brief introduction to Mardi Gras Doubloons. Everybody knows that when the parades run, being the biggest free show on earth, c'est les bon temps roulés, that everybody knows they throw beads. But what a lot of people don't know about is the doubloons, and they're named after the Spanish pieces of 8. They're about 39 millimeters in diameter, about 4 to 8 grams in weight, and a little bit larger than a silver dollar. But let's talk a little bit more about them.
I'd like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, there's a lot that goes on when you collect Mardi Gras doubloons. I've been collecting Mardi Gras doubloons since I first started throwing them back in the 1960s for Rex. But here's a list of all the crews that are the crews that will roll for Mardi Gras. Now, not all crews throw doubloons. Not all doubloons that are thrown are the same color. They're not the same pattern every year. Every crew has a different one, and it can be quite interesting, especially when they throw multiple colors on the same year and you try to keep them all straight. But anyway, just trying to give you a feel that there's a lot going on with Mardi Gras doubloons. Now, Mardi Gras started in Mobile, Alabama, but New Orleans adopted it, and you can see where it went from there. So again, not all crews throw doubloons. Not all are dated. There are various colors and materials, and not all of them have to be round. They're made out of wood. The majority are aluminum, 39 millimeters for the big ones, 32 for the small ones, and about 4 to 8 grams each. So doubloons can be a lot of fun. So here you go. Here's what some doubloons look like when you just play with them in the tray, trying to store them and organize them out to get them onto the board and get them cataloged and see what you have. So maintaining a collection, especially when you trade with other collectors, can be quite ambitious.
They come in silver, they come in colors, wide variety. Now, not all are round. Some will have a scalloped edge of some sort. Some will be smooth on the edge. Some will be serrated on the edge. And again, not all are round. Not all are the same size. So as you can see here, standard sized doubloons, smaller doubloons. So these are the 33 millimeters versus the 39 millimeter. We'll also point out that they used to throw wood, and they still do throw wood for some crews. Crew of Tex, crew of Lavue. So you have those. Now, most of the ones that you will have a uniform front, like Pegasus here. Pegasus 1 year, but the date is hidden here on the back, and on the other year of Pegasus, it's hidden in the candy box. So more than one way to do that. You also have doubloons that are single in depth, and then you have what's called a double. As you can see, it's much thicker than the other doubloon. Now, also in the crews, they will produce pewter doubloons for within the crew. These are too heavy to throw. That's why they don't throw silver dollars, because a silver dollar was too heavy, hit somebody, could hurt them. That's why doubloons are 39 millimeters. They're 4 to 8 grams. A double is 8 grams, and singles are all 4 grams. And some fall in there between. Now, you also have the ones that are made out of different material, like here's a Poseidon. This would be a crew coin, a crew doubloon that you would carry with you in your crew. Here's one, another very similar one. And then one for the crew of Endymion. It's a small world. Much heavier. Again, not throwable. So that's a little bit about Mardi Gras doubloons. Everybody knows about beads, but having some doubloons to look at as we sort of our collection just gives you a little of idea, folks. So there you go. Hope you found all this useful and informative. Let me also add that not all throws are dated. The crew I rode with, we just had one printing, and our doubloons had no date other than our year of founding. But dated doubloons, sometimes they will throw multiple colors in the same year, and then you'll spend some time trying to get all the colors. And very rarely, they'll actually throw a black doubloon. But there you go.
And here's a card from the Mardi Gras memorabilia, and these are who people I use to buy, sell, and trade. Give them a call and find out what you have. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found all this useful and informative about the Mardi Gras doubloons. I'm showing you one right there. The back of it shows the New Orleans Mint as a building in the city of downtown. So anyway, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your Mardi Gras.